Hello, and welcome to another one of my world famous puzzles. My name is Maurice, and I'm a cat, and I like to solve puzzles. This one is about mixing water and wine, which is one of my favourite pastimes. As usual, I am assisted by my not very bright assistant, who will help me present the problem. We will present the problem and then invite you to pause the video if you want to find your own solution. Here is the puzzle. Two identical jugs. One contains water, the other contains the same amount of wine. The sample of wine is taken from the wine jug and transferred to the water jug. Then the same amount of the mixture is transferred back to the wine jug. The question you have to solve is there more water in the wine jug, or is there more wine in the water jug? For the purposes of this problem, assume the wine has no water in it. In a few seconds, my not very bright assistant will give you the answer. He's not actually clever enough to solve this himself, so I have written the answer down for him. Thank you, Maurice, for helping me with this one. The answer is that there is exactly the same quantity of wine in the water jug as there is water in the wine jug. Rather than solving this with mathematics, I'm going to illustrate why by using an example. I'm going to choose to use some figures that make the maths easier, but the same logic will work with any volume used. Let's assume that both jugs contain 100 cubic centimetres of liquid at the start. If we remove 25 cc's of wine and add it to the water jug, then the water jug is 4 parts water and 1 part wine. If we then remove 25 cc's from the new mixture, the water jug will then again contain 100 cc's, consisting of 80 cc's of water and 20 cc's of wine. The pipette will contain 25 cc's, consisting of 20 cc's of water and 5 cc's of wine. This is then added to the wine jug, which then contains 80 cc's of wine and 20 cc's of water. So, there is exactly the same amount of water in the wine jug as there is wine in the water jug. And this will work with any figures that you care to try. Well done, Mr. Assistant. That was quite neat, wasn't it? Did you solve it yourself? If you like puzzles, then take a look at some of my other puzzles, or subscribe to my YouTube channel to make sure you don't miss out. Bye bye, keep puzzling.